the hardware store to buy some more concrete, around 6 bags for the meantime, and then when it's lacking we get more materials. We just stopped by here in the gasoline station to put some air on the tire at the rear side of the passenger seat. We just arrived here in our house about a few minutes ago from the hardware store. We bought some concrete in there, around 6 bags for the meantime. Then next week we're gonna buy another more. And this time I am preparing for our snacks. So since we have a lot of ripe banana, I'm gonna make banana bread again. Unplug this one. Finish using the, and here it is, the mixture of the ingredients. Yeah, for our banana bread or banana cake, and this is ready to transfer inside the pan or the baking pan, and I already preheated the oven. Let's go and check the banana cake that I baked a few minutes ago. It's almost 40 minutes. I guess this one is already cooked. Need to wear. Good job. Looks nice. It's clean. Good. Very good. It's cooked already. I am going to give some banana cake or banana bread to the worker that I baked today. Ba, ano yan yang? Suway sad mo. Akong gibake.
Ikaw nagluto na?
Ingna pa na yan yan.
Try.
Kamao bitaw ko na yun, no? Kamao bitaw ko na yun, no? Nagpalaban.
Oo, na yan. Kaya kakao naman.
Say, mag-cake ko. Sahay.
Ikaw nagluto na? Kung saan nga na?
Banana cake.
Banana cake. Naisaging nga na day.
Daghan.
Sa kulag kwan?
Lakatan.
Hingalag banana cake.
Dagag saging.
Thank you.
Ug mingon pa nga carrots cake.
Tanawan ninyo, husto ba? Husto bang timpla? Kaya di ra bata, bikir. Okay lang, timpla?
Mano? Very nice idea.
Very nice idea. Sino yan? Naggawa sa in English.
Very nice.
Pasay ka nang magkuhan ko, na mag-chocolate cake.
Very nice because it's a very big.
It's very big.
Yeah.
Di sila bisda guys ha, mga English na ni. I like video. Yan yung
Very nice.
very nice. They said it's good for business. They are working now in that part nearby the faucet there, and it's going to cover the hole at the end and also this part here and that one, but he gonna finish first in that area before moving in the side here. But in here in this part nearby the bathroom and the master bedroom there are all done. Yeah, they finished doing the rendering in there, so they have to finish this part here. Next we're gonna let him also do the rendering of that lavatory there, the side and the front. Then this one, the dirty kitchen. It's looking good now, the wall. It's been 4 years. We did not finish rendering this part here, especially during those time that when we start moving in here in our house, then typhoon happened, so the budget for the rendering in this part here was used again to do the roofing of our house, the ceiling, and also the sliding glass door and other stuff that was damaged by the typhoon, not only in our house but also by the chicken coop area, everything there, and the roof for our water tank in the tower, and also in this roofing here in our utility area. Yeah, so everything, the budget that we intended for this one was used, so that's why we start saving again to continue the project so we can finish it. Just do it little by little.